Well, kitchens are one of the most popular home improvement projects for fall, especially with everyone trying to get one done before the holidays. Now, while a major kitchen renovation is wonderful, it can be expensive and surely very time-consuming.
Yep, but you don't have to spend a bundle to give your kitchen a whole new look. So there are 5 updates you can do for under $1,000 that can do just that. First, let's talk about countertops. Sure, if you go with granite or quartz, you're going to pay as much as you would for a used car, but there are budget-friendly materials like laminate and tile that can give you a fresh look. And if you wanted to use granite, if you love that granite look, I just did a countertop with a product called Lux Rock. It's a granite coating, which is a heck of a lot less expensive and delivered an amazingly lifelike granite finished look to my project.
All right, next up, let's talk about those kitchen cabinets. Now, maybe you want to keep the kitchen cabinets you have because cabinet replacement is expensive. But if your cabinets are in good shape, but you're not thrilled with their finish, you've got many options to change their appearance. Now, first, you can strip off the old finish and stain them any way you like, or just paint them and then replace that hardware. Now, small changes like new door handles and drawer pulls can make a huge difference in the overall look of your kitchen as well.
That's right. Now let's talk appliances. You know, the dated look of kitchens is often traced to those old appliances, but just like cars, appliances are always going to reflect the style of the day. So changing or repainting them can make a kitchen look a lot younger, especially if you repaint the walls to match the new colors. Now, if you're going to get new appliances, remember, always go for an Energy Star rated appliance. This designation is going to mean that the appliance exceeds the Department of Energy guidelines for efficiency by at least 10%, and that's going to save you a bunch.
Now, let's not forget about lighting, which is just as important in your kitchen as in any other room of the house. Again, there's lots of options. You can add pendant lighting, which is super popular, or take advantage of the many smart home lighting systems by adding dimmers or bulbs that run on apps and keep you on a schedule. Lots of great ways to add lighting to that space.
Yeah, and last but not least, replace the kitchen floors. You know, new flooring alone can really change the look of a kitchen, and it can be installed with very little impact on family life.
Yeah, and it's also very durable against wear, scratches, and stains, and the designs look really authentic. Now, there's dozens of tough, durable, and completely waterproof floors that are now available for DIY installation. In fact, Tom, you just picked up some flooring this week for a kitchen renovation. Which one did you end up going with?
Yep, so I went with LL Flooring's Duravana. That's their hybrid stone flooring product. It's 100% waterproof, super tough stuff. I use Spire Oak, which is kind of like a driftwoody look oak because I have white kitchen cabinets and a black granite countertop, and I figured it would pull it all together. And I'm looking forward to putting it in. I've actually installed this product before. It goes together really quickly, so I'm pretty psyched about it.
All right, well, that sounds great. I hope it looks beautiful.